Okay, for you field guys out there that may not have an IV pump, I'm going to share with you a little trick. It's not AHA, it's not ILCOR, but it's widely known and it works. Now, a couple of things we need first. One, you have to be using a concentration of 1600 mics per cc. That's the 400 milligrams and 250 bag. Have to be using that concentration. You have to be using 60 drop tubing, which means there's 60 drops in 1 cc. So here's the trick. You take the patient's weight in pounds, not kilograms. It's the only time we use pounds. Take the patient's weight in pounds. Drop the last number and subtract 2. That will give you your drip rate to achieve 5 micrograms per kilogram per minute for that patient. So our starting dose of dopamine for heart failure is 5 mics per kilogram per minute. That formula will get you there. Again, it's not AHA, it's not ILCOR, but it works. Do the math. I'm Mark, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.